Success stories start in the Roadrunner Athletics program. Roadrunner Athletics' comprehensive 16-sport program for men and women has earned a national reputation as a powerhouse, with 30 NJCAA national championships. The Roadrunner staff and coaches are dedicated to helping student-athletes achieve their goals, both in competition and in the classroom. As a member of the National Junior College Athletic Association, Roadrunner Athletics competes in Region 19 and the Garden State Athletic Conference against other two-year colleges primarily from New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Delaware. The Roadrunner Athletics program has received national awards for performance on the field and in the classroom. More than 400 Roadrunner student-athletes have been named NJCAA All-Americans, and 110 have become individual national champions. Our record of winning 30 national championships is greater than all two-year colleges in New Jersey combined. Roadrunner coaches focus on player development and academic success. 7 of our 16 sport head coaches have won national championships during their time with Roadrunner Athletics. Roadrunner teams and student-athletes are regularly recognized for their academic success and excellence in the classroom. All of our athletic department staff is dedicated to making sure student-athletes succeed. 6 teams earned academic honors in 2018-19 with top GPAs on a national level, and over a quarter of our student-athletes achieved a GPA of 3.6 or higher. In 2018-19, Roadrunner Athletics was named the top overall two-year athletic program in the state of New Jersey for the 15th consecutive year. The Roadrunners have also earned 5 Natica Cups for the best overall non-scholarship two-year athletic program in the country and have finished in the top 3 in the national standings each of the last 10 years. Excellent on-campus facilities include a gymnasium, outdoor baseball, softball, and soccer fields, as well as 6 tennis courts, practice areas, a functionally designed fitness center, and more. Roadrunner student-athletes can expect the best if they choose to become part of the program and family of student-athletes. We work very closely with all areas of the campus to make sure student-athletes have every opportunity to be successful. Roadrunners are regularly moving on to NCAA Division I, II, and III 4-year level athletic programs. For all the latest information, please follow us on social media at RC Roadrunners. If interested in participating in Roadrunner Athletics, you can fill out a prospect form at rcroadrunners.com. Help us create the next Roadrunner success story.
There are Region 19 of the district municipal school champions.